that's where the word nigga comes from. That's what words say, yo, this is my nigga right here. Others be like, that's a derogatory term, and in some people's books it is. You know, you talk to a man and a woman raised in the 40s, 30s, they be like, how a nigga, how can that ever be something, a term of endearment? They can't even deal with it, they can't even relate to you. But on the flip side of it, nigga does point to a certain degree of oppression. That, yeah, you know, nigga is derogatory, nigga is down, nigga is oppressed. But are you my nigga? Are you down here with me? Are you oppressed with me? Because if you're not, then if you're not my nigga, then you can't really feel my pain. And you could be my brother's cool too, but my nigga feels my pain. My nigga's riding with me. My nigga's in the oppression with me. My brother's there too, but he off to college. He off to the army. He doing pretty good in his life. He ain't really feeling no pain.